Hi guys, this is Yuri with VWSmartAccessory.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install belt insert into the storage tray. You're going to get one of these with BACK letters. Okay, so it's back. So what you need to do first is to make sure it fits into your tray. I made some adjustments over the course of production, so your tray may be a little bit more narrow, wider, most likely narrower than the felt liner. So you may need to trim it on one side with the scissors. So once you have a confirmation it fits, just make sure you pull all in and it's like on the bottom and everything, and it's flush with the bottom. Then you need to peel off about inch or inch and a half, like 25 to 35 millimeters for our European colleagues. My peeling skills are awful. Okay, so let me just adjust the camera so you can see. So peel it like so. Just make sure it stays peeled, and then you just, like you did the dry fit, just put it inside. And you put it inside and just make sure it aligns with the bottom. It may take some time, and if it sticks in the wrong position, you can peel it off, realign, put it back down. Once you're satisfied with its position, just use your favorite to kind of glue, like make it stick. One final test. It aligns with the wall on the bottom, so then you need to peel off a little more. Use again a couple of fingers to iron it into the bottom, and you just go like so, and more. And once you get to the end, you just bend it over and make it stick to the outside, just like that. You all set? Ready to go. Thank you for watching.